Hey guys, Louise Flores from Bella Luna Imagines Co. here. I just wanted to show you a flip of my Filo Fax pocket rings Malden, I believe it's called. So let's just dive right in. I think this is the Kingfisher color. It's like a teal green color, my favorite color. So let's just dive right into this planner. So I can't even fit my pen in here anymore because of how much paper I have in this planner. So right here in this little zipper pocket, I just have the top of some bookmarks I want to make. This is not completely set up yet, but I wanted to show you how far along I've gotten. So this one says week. This is from a TPS kit, as well as this one today. And these are just some freebies from Sweet Kawaii Design. The same thing. Her stickers are so adorable. In the back pocket, I don't think... Oh yeah, I just have one little sticker sheet from Her Name is Savi, Frenchy Friday stickers. So this little dashboard is from a Red Aspen kit that I just got for its two French tip nails. One is a black tip and one is a white tip. And it comes in this really cute bag. Let me show you. It has like bubble wrap paper, but the bubble wrap is actually hearts. It's so cute. So it just says Red Aspen. It's a really big bag. I'll probably put my planner in this bag because it's like the perfect size, and I can make like a folder for my stickers, which is probably something I'm going to put in my shop as well. So this is just a postcard from that set. This is just like a little back thick cardstock from like the tabs from the TPS kits. So I just put a little pocket in here that says self-love with a washi card with some Simply Gilded washi on it. I just like how all these come together so nicely. Even though this one is silver, it still looks good together. So that's in that pocket. Excuse me. So for this dashboard, it's actually a pocket notebook from a Simply Gilded subscription kit. I think the sub box. I think it was January 2018 or 2019 that she had in the double dip. Oh no, it was a Mystery Monday. It was only 20 bucks for the whole box, even the extra washi that you can sign up for. So I thought it was really cute, and it's perfect right now for St. Patty's Day this week. So I just put another one of those clear pockets that says, "Darling, you were made to do great things," with another washi card with some Simply Gilded washi. So I like to put pockets everywhere, as you can see. Sometimes it just gets a little stuck. There we go. Because I just put these pockets in there, so they're not opening up that great, but they will. And then this is another one of those backing cards from a TPS kit with this little honeybee shop bat bows pocket. And this is just a little freebie from Once More with Love. Cute little freebie. Or a cute little pocket. And it fits in here perfectly because with the rings, it like makes it a little smaller. So this dashboard I had in a bunch of different setups for planners, and it's just been like cut down and moved around so much, so I didn't want to cut into any of these to make the holes for the pocket rings. So I just did some washi, and I did it on both sides to double it so that it just stays in there perfectly. So this pen loop is from a Simply Gilded sub box. This note card, Create a Colorful Life, is from TPS kit, as well as this scrapbook paper. And this bow decal is from Scroll Prints Co. Where my name is written right here, actually One Time in a Million wrote it from like one of the Happy Mail packages, which I just thought was cute. And then these inserts are from the Minimalistic Luxe collection from Annie Plans, and these stickers that I put on here are from a TPS kit for like the tabs. So this one's monthly, and I always leave this blank. I'll probably do like a sticker collage right over here. And then this is the month of March, which I used, you know, that washi that came with this notebook. So I just thought it was so cute. Feeling lucky, charming. And then I just used pink of the, which one is it? Here it is. This pen. And I love how these are like clips. I really like these pens. I'm going to probably get more of these. All different colors. So this is what it looks blank. I think it can go to January 2021. So I'll do that throughout this week and probably even today. This is from Tamashi Prince, a freebie. She just wrote my name. And I love cactus, cacti, succulents. I love plants. I'm really getting into it now. I'm actually like growing garlic and scallions and stuff, so I'm really getting a green thumb. This pocket is from a Simply Gilded sub box with the moon. I love this, and I have washi like this now too. I love this pocket. And this is from Pigeon Paper Company. Like a little Happy Mail, and it like you can like fold it. It's like a flap basically. So I just stuck that in there. And I love this. This is from a card from my cousin. We're incredibly close. We're only a day apart, like less than 12 hours apart. It says I come, fuck shit up, I leave. I love this. This is my weekly. So I just started in this planner yesterday. So I haven't filled this out yet, but this is how it looks. Again, it's from that Luxe minimalistic set from Annie Plans Printables. So I'm going to start filling this out for tomorrow, starting tomorrow. So this is how it looks. And then we get into dailies. So far, I just have this right now. And these half boxes are actually going to be in my shop when I open up my Shopify website. Stay tuned for that and the announcement of the opening day. This is today, Sunday, March 15th, 2020. So I'm just going to plan my next week in here with the dailies. And then I had these, and then I started putting in these for the dailies too, just to have like an open space where I can design it how I want to for that day. And right here is just like a little page marker with a Simply Gilded bow seal. And then this paper is from a TPS kit. I love this design. It's so beautiful. As well as the swans. This is actually from Stationery Heaven Co. It had like the stickers in it, and I just loved it so much how she wrote my name, how all like the planner things are on here, and the bows, diamonds, hearts, everything. So I made it into a folder. So these are just some what is it, Sweet Kawaii design stickers, and I just love this little taco. That was so cute. So I just made it to match on both sides, but I'll probably have like a ton of stickers in here. Let's be real. And I also put a pocket on the back. These are, excuse me. These are pockets from Target Dollar Spot. I can't wait. I think they usually come around when school starts up again, probably in like August, in the Dollar Spot. So I'm really excited to get more of those. So this section is like to-dos, goals, notes, and probably like a brain dump too. So this was in the previous setup. Like I really wasn't using this planner at all, but I'm really getting into it. Probably just because everybody else is using it too, but it really is handy and you could take it wherever because it's of the size of it. So these are just some notes, ideas, to-dos. And then I have like another section that I was using, and this is Jimby Sun, a letter set that I have. I just love whales, and he's so freaking cute with all his little friends on his back. And I just love the ocean. I've always loved the ocean. So these are just a good way to write lists down. Just have a couple pages of that. And then this one is budget. I don't have anything in here yet, so I can show you. So I'm thinking about just like writing down my bills. I'll do like each month, like this is March, this is April, and then just check off when they're paid. And then, see, I have to just rearrange how I want the pages, because I kind of want this to come up, this to come up first, then this page, and then that other list one, so I can just write notes. Okay, so then on these pages I can just write notes and list out all the expenses and like groceries and different things that we purchased that month. So yeah, I'm just gonna rearrange these to how I like it. And then in the back here, this pocket comes with the Filo Fax. It's just like a clear pocket, and in here I just have some nail decals from that Simply Gilded box. I think it's called Good Luck or Lucky Charm or something like that. Good Luck Charms, these ones are. So cute. And then I just have a Simply Gilded bow decal on the bottom, as well as on the other side. And then this is the back of that pocket notebook. In here, I just have the days of the week. This is a Sweet Kawaii Designs sheet that I cut out from probably some kit. And I think that is it. So that is my little pocket ring planner. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I'm planning on doing a video every weekend, either Saturday or Sunday. So stay tuned, and then hopefully when I get comfortable enough to show you different kinds of videos, not just flip throughs like washi tape, how to use washi tape, how to store it, how to do different things, like maybe even a Rascog tour, which is very, very possible in the near future. So please guys, if you can, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys next week. Have a great, great weekend. Bye!